you afraid of us? Do you feel like you're being challenged? Are you afraid of me? Because I'm black? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
If so, come close to the light.
Are you scared of us because we're white?